What does downtown Naples look like after Hurricane Ian? We're going to take you on a driving tour through downtown Naples, show you 5th Ave, 3rd Ave, and also some of the beaches to let you know what's open and what's going on. We're standing in front of the iconic Naples Pier. As you can see, it took some damage from the hurricane. However, we'll also show you the redevelopment plan for this pier. It's going to be very exciting when it opens up with expanded capacity and viewing deck locations. Fort Myers Beach, Florida, October 15th. As you can see, our community leaders sprang into action immediately post Hurricane Ian to direct the revitalization and restoration efforts. So now that we've shown you around, check out our next video and the videos that follow so you can decide which community you want to move into in Southwest Florida. Thanks for joining us.